Is SEO not your cup of tea? As a business owner, you must know how SEO works. In this course, I'll teach you about SEO in the simplest and layman way. By the end of the course, you'll know how everything you need to know about SEO to grow your business. So let's get started. Hi, welcome to High-Profit SEO Secrets. I'm Sonny, very excited to have you on board. This is one of the best investments you've made in yourself and your business when it comes to marketing. I can guarantee that. You know why? Because every single strategy, every single tactic, every single thing you learn here has been proven to work. This is not just a theory. It actually works. I've been doing this for over 10 years for my clients. And if I can help them grow, if I can help them make millions of dollars, why can't I help you with it? The only difference is instead of doing it for you, I'm showing you how it's done. So you don't have to pay anybody to do it every single month for you. You cannot do it yourself at your pace. Who knows, you may get better results than us because you are focused on your business and we are focused on many businesses. So I would love to hear your results. I would love to hear how things are moving along. Also, as we grow this community, remember, it's all about helping each other. As business owners, we don't have too many people that we can talk to. I know that because I've been a business owner for over 30 years. I feel that sometimes when I can talk to my buddies, I can talk to my friends about my business because they don't get it, because they're not business owners. So as business owners, as we grow this community, we're always there to help each other out, okay? Now, 3 things I want you to remember when it comes to high-profit SEO secrets. Number 1, we'll cover this course in 6 weeks. So that was the first thing. The second thing, as I already mentioned, don't miss any video. I want you to go through every single video. Now, these videos are not too long. Some are as short as 2 minutes. Some could be 5 or 10 minutes. Don't be in a rush to go through the videos. While you're going through a video, watch it, maybe start it again, watch it twice, watch it 3 times, and make notes. Write what comes to your mind. Write the ideas that you get. See, a lot of time people buy courses, they go from one video to the last video really, really fast, but they don't get anything done. Watching videos is not going to help you get your website on page 1 of Google. Watching videos will not help you get more customers or leads. Working on those videos, working on these strategies will help you. So as you go through these videos, 1, don't miss any of those. 2, make notes. And as you make notes, you'll see that you have new ideas coming to your mind all the time. Work on them. Once you've been through these videos, go back to them and watch them again. Like I said, I have purposely made sure they are not too long. They're to the point, so you can watch them multiple times. 2-minute video, a 3-minute video doesn't take that much, right? But if you watch it a few times, it's going to help you understand more. It's going to help you come up with new ideas. And third and finally, keep us posted about your results. Even if you get your website on page 1 of Google in 1 search phrase, let us know. If you get on page 1 in 5 keywords, let us know. Because we'll be really happy to see you grow, see your business grow, your revenue and your profits grow. So now go and watch the outsourcing video right below this one. This will help you understand then that there's a lot of things that you can outsource that you can do yourself, but that's okay. You can outsource projects, you can outsource what comes to your mind and get things done. The idea is to implement and get things done. A lot of businesses fail because they don't implement the strategies they have. They just think about it. Now let's get started and I'll see you in the next video.